Hello friends, once again Satish Tiwary here from Ethical Hacking Tuition Center, and you guys are enjoying my YouTube channel Satish Tiwary. So today I'm going to show you how to install Python or latest Python 3 or Python pip on your Ubuntu Linux machine. Before installing anything, you need to learn this command sudo apt update. Okay, so you have to update your repository. So just run this command. Once this update has been done, clear the screen using clear command and then type sudo apt install python 3. Once this command installed, by default for latest version, I think by default it is pre-installed. Now how to install the Python 3 pip? Just type Python 3 pip. So you have to use how to install pip using this one and press Y, and this will install pip inside Ubuntu machine. This software is used for many other third-party softwares. This library is used for a Python library, very helpful and very useful when you are using so many software, even hacking tools, cyber security tools, penetration testing tools. In the upcoming classes, you will find this one. And if you are learning cyber security, you must be aware of this tool. Very, very important tool. Okay, and in this way, I have installed Python 3 pip or pip installation inside Ubuntu. Hope now you can easily install this software. Okay, and for the upcoming videos, keep watching, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe guys. Okay, thank you for watching.